So right now, andito tayo sa kahabaan ng Shaw Boulevard and right across is the SNR. And we have one of the projects of Vista Residences here in Mandaluyong City. This is Vista Shaw. Guys, pasukin natin yung lobby na itong Vista Shaw. So, tara! So we have here the reception area and of course the waiting area in case may mga bisita kayong darating. So they can wait here. So right now, dito tayo sa 37th floor and papakita ko sa inyo yung sample unit ng studio unit. Yan. So this is a 22 square meter unit. So meron na rin siyang overhead kitchen cabinet, countertop, and of course meron na rin space dito, provision for the refrigerator. Yan. So this is perfect for you kung small lang kayo, mag-isa lang kayo, or mga nag-uumpisa pa lang in life. Yan. So you have the view here. Of course, the skyline of Mandaluyong. Yan. And Makati, of course. Yan. So meron na rin siyang, meron din dito provision ng range hood. Yan. This one. So, the bathroom. Yan. We have the bathroom here. Yan. So, what you can see, lahat yan ang magiging deliverable niya. So, ceramic tiles na siya from floor to wall. Yan. So, on the other side naman, puntahan naman natin yung 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. Tara! So, ngayon naman guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung 2 bedroom unit ni Vista Shaw. So, this is a 47 square meter unit. Yan. So, we have with the range hood. Yeah, provision for the range hood actually dyan. And of course, deliverable to. Part ito ng deliverable. Yung overhead kitchen cabinet natin and countertop. Yan. So this would be the living area and the dining area. So very spacious siya. You can put the television here, the sofa, and of course, the dining table. And we have here the bedroom. Yan. So this is the first bedroom. Ang magiging view mo naman dito would be the golf area. Yan. This is the Walk Golf Club. Yan. So ang ganda niya. So ang view mo is the Mandaluyong. Yan. And Manila on the other side. Yan. So maganda to actually kasi walang nakaharang na any building on your area. Tapos, kung mapapansin nyo, our toilet and bath are located between the 2 bedrooms na sa gitna siya. Yan. So, very spacious siya. And you can put here the automatic washing machine, of course. Yan. So, you can put the glass here if you want to put glass here to separate kung maliligo kayo and for, yan, hugas lang ganyan. So, kasabilan man tayo. So, this side naman is another bedroom. Yan. Maluwang na rin siya actually. Maluwang siya. So, your view would be same on the other side, Mandaluyong and Makati. Yan. Ganda actually. Yan. So, this project costs around 13 million, but you can avail this ng mga around maybe 6.5, 6.8 because this project is 50% discount for cash payment. So, later, I'll discuss with you the computation, payment terms, and promos. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So right now guys, andito tayo sa 39th floor ng Vista Shaw. Andito tayo sa amenities niya. So as you can see, andito yung pinaka-pool. And of course, yung pinaka-view natin, this is a 360 view. Yan. I'll show you the skyline of Makati. And of course, the Mandaluyong. Ayan. So tara, tingnan nyo. So meron tayong view dito ng golf area. Ito yung sa Walk Golf Club. Yan, dito sa baba niya. So andun yung Mega Mall sa kabilang side. Yan. Super ganda, di ba? So, kanina galing tayo dun sa mga sample units ni Vista Shaw. And ngayon naman, didiscuss na natin yung computation or yung mga prices niya, promos, and of course, yung monthly amortization niya. So, I'm with my colleague again, Miss Daisy Mendoza. Palakpakan! So, okay, let's talk about the computation and the total contract price. So, ang total contract price natin in Vista Shaw is for the studio unit na 22 square meter is around 6.8 million. Yeah. So, we offer discount also. So, ang outright discount na marireceive ni client dito is 50,000. Yan. Then, meron pa tayong, so ang total, ililista lang natin yung 50,000 doon na discount sa contract price para makuha natin yung discounted total contract price. So, ang reservation ng project is 30,000. So, this project again is ready for occupancy na. So, pwede na siyang lipatan anytime. So, once na ma-complete lang ni client, yung required amount ni Vistaland.
So, magkano naman yung down payment kasi case?
Yes, yan. Actually, yan ang number one questions ng mga client natin kung magkano yung down payment. Actually, typically, para makapag-move in si client, ang nire-require ni developer is 5% down payment. Yan. So, once na mabigyan natin yung 5%, pwede na lumipat si client. Pero, ang catch dyan, what if hindi naman kaya ni client yung 5%? Di ba? So, we have options naman na pwedeng gamitin. So, we have option 1, like, you pay the 3%, at least 3%, bayaran mo muna yung 3%, that's around 174,000. Yes.
Super affordable.
Yung affordable na yun, compared to other developers.
Yes.
Kasi ngayon 174,000, 3% na yun ng total contract price. So, we offer, instead of bayaran yung 5% ngayon, like what I've said kanina, 3% lang. So, pwede rin, yung 12%, babayaran niya yan in 36 months. Okay.
Masyadong stretch siya.
Na-stretch siya. So, ang magiging monthly mo na lang dito is around 22,000 monthly. So, again, 3% down payment, tapos 12% yung sumunod, which is payable in 36 months. So, kanina, nabanggit ko nga na ang requirement ni Vistaland, ni developer, para makapag-move in is 5%. So, ngayon, kailan tayo makakapag-move in kung in-avail natin yung 12%? So, roughly, mga siguro after mabayaran natin yung 4 months nung
property,
monthly. Yes, kasi nire-require tayo ng 12% eh. So, kailangan pa natin mabuo yung another 2% para makapag-move in tayo.
Okay, so what if naman, kung may 5% na ako, magkano naman yung magiging monthly ko?
Ang magiging monthly mo, kung 5% ka, is, ang 5% kasi is around 300,000. From the total contract price na 6 million, so nasa 300,000 ang monthly. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung computation dyan, makikita nyo. So, while I'm discussing this, makikita nyo na yung computation. So, yung 5% is 300,000, then magma-monthly ka na ngayon ng 14,000. Diba? Parang ang dating ito is rent to own.
Yeah.
We usually use rent to own. Actually, even other developers, we use rent to own. Like, nakalipat ka na dun sa property mo, then nagma-monthly ka kay developer. So, ang monthly mo dito is 14,000 lang. Super affordable. Daig mo pa yung nagrenta ng diba?
Yes.
Typically, magkano ang rental ng isang condominium ngayon for the studio unit located in Manda? What do you think?
Around 18 to 20,000.
Oh, di ba? Magiging passive income mo to kasi ang monthly mo lang 14,000. Saan nang galing yung 14,000? Yung 14,000, ito yung 10% ng net total contract price, which is payable in 48 months. So, 48 months yun, that's 4 years. You are paying 4 years na 14,000 with no interest. Zero interest yon. So, kailan papasok yung bank financing? Ayan ang good question dyan. Kasi nga, papasok yan after 4 years. So, dun pa lang siya papasok yung bank financing or what we call also bank loan. Yan. So, very affordable to our clients na gustong mag-avail ng rent-to-own properties.
Okay. In terms naman ng bank loan, matutulungan ba natin yung mga clients natin for mag-apply?
Oh yes, of course. Number one yan ang sinasabi natin na we in our group, we offer after sales, di ba?
Yes.
We are not just an agent na after magpa-reserve, nag-down payment, iiwanan na natin yung client natin. Hindi tayo ganun. So, we have proof na all our clients, not all, actually not all, kasi yung iba naman, ng sarili nilang, sila na mismo nagba-bank loan, sila na mismo nagpa-process. But if our client needs assistance for bank loan, of course, andun tayo. Tutulungan natin sila doon sa bank loan. Yan. So, basically, madali lang din naman yung pag-process ng bank loan as long as kumpleto lang naman yung documents ni client.
Okay, let's say si client is may pera.
Mhm.
May additional discount ba just in case na mag-cash payment siya?
Good news. Actually, nabanggit ko nga kanina dun sa short video ko na here in Vistaland, not all project of Vista Residences offers this. Kasi here in Vista Show, we offer 50% discount. That's a big discount for investors. Let's say again, kanina yung price is 6.8. So if the client decided to pay it in cash, so ang kailangan niya na lang bayaran is 3.4, guys. That's a big discount. Ang discount mo kalahati na yung babayaran mo.
It's like parang below market value
Yes,
na.
super below market value kasi ang market value typically ng studio units, even in Mandaluyong, lalo na to kasi very accessible, located in prime, 'di ba? Prime location siya. So yung market value ng property doon ranging nasa 6 million and above. So ngayon kung makukuha mo siya ng 3.4, super good sale, super panalo ka.
Yeah, para kang bumili 5 years ago.
Yes, 5 years ago, not 5 years ago, maybe 8 years ago kasi may nabibili pa dati na 3.4 na studio unit. Eh ngayon so far wala na. Kahit saan ka pumuntang location, siguro meron kung yung pagbibilihan mo is yung mga hindi kilalang developer or kaya yung property located in very liblib area. So, most likely meron 3.4 million. Pero ito kasi located in the heart of Metro Manila. We all know that Mandaluyong is the heart of Metro Manila kasi nasa gitna siya mismo. So, 3.4 is 3.4. Super big discount yan for our clients.
Yes. So, studio lang ba yung ma-offer natin sa mga clients?
No. Actually, here in Vista Show, meron pa tayong mga available units dyan na 1 bedroom, yan, pati 2 bedroom. If you need more or bigger space, you still have units there. So, dali lang naman siya, reserve nyo lang, ganun. Kung gusto nyo na makuha yung discount, kasi limited time offer lang yung discount. It's not for lifetime. Hindi siya hanggang sa maubos yung units, ganyan discount. Limited time offer lang siya. So, if you have clients ganun na would like to avail that, good decision to invest now. Diba? It's not tomorrow, it's not the other day. It's today. Yes, today is the very good day to invest. Yun. So, do you have any questions pa?
Wala naman. So,
Ayan.
so far nasagot mo
Yes.
naman lahat na.
So, yun lang guys. So, if you need more details, projects, presentation, yes, feel free to ask or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger, to our Facebook page. Yan.
Instagram.
Yes, Instagram, lahat. After we post this, yan. So again, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!